In this video, let us see how to solve DFT using matrix method. So we already know the formula for direct method, that is for finding DFT, x of k is given as x of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e power minus j 2 pi kn by. This is the formula to find DFT using direct method. So for matrix method, we can derive the formula from the direct method formula. So for matrix method, this particular equation is called as Twiddle factor, and it is represented using W base n. So W base n is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n. And the formula to calculate x of k, that is for finding DFT, for in matrix method we have a formula, that is x of k is equal to matrix of W base n power kn into x of n, both in matrix format. So for finding this matrix, we have to draw a 4x4 matrix, and in this matrix k will occupy the column and n will occupy the row. The value for k and n can be found using the formula k is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. Here for us n equal to 4 because we have got 4 elements, so n minus 1 is going to be 3, so k is going to be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. As we have same formula for k as well as for n, we can find the values for k and n simultaneously. Okay, now the value for k ranges from 0 to 3 and n ranges from 0 to 3. So write it here. Similarly here 0, 1, 2 and 3. This matrix will have totally 4x4 16 values, and all the values will have W base 4 as the base, and the power for finding W base n for kn, we have to multiply kn here. That kn, the power will come here, so 0 into 0 will become W base 4 power 0. That is the very first element in the first row. Next, W base 4 power 0 into 1. 0 into 1, the value for k is 0, value for n is going to 1. So 0 into 1 is again 0. Similarly, W base 4 power 0, W base 4 power 0. Next, come to the second row. Here we have 1. So 1 into 0 is going to be 0. W base 4 power 0. Next, 1 into 1. W base 4 power 1 into 1 is 1. Next, W base 4 power 1 into 2, 2. Next, W base 4 power 3. Next, for third row, W base 4 power 2 into 0, 0. Next, 2 into 1, 2. 2 to 7, 4. Next, 2 power 6. Next, last row, W base 4 power 0, 3 into 1, 3, W base 4 power 3, W base 4 power 3 to the 6, W base 4 power 9. So we have found all the elements. Now we have to find the values for the corresponding W base 4 power k. So what is W base 4 power 0? According to the formula, instead of k we are having the value 0. So it is e power minus j 2 pi into 0, because instead of kn we are having 0 here and n we are having 4. So e power 0, 0 into anything is going to be 0. So e power 0 is going to be 1. So W base 4 is 1. So we can form the new matrix. So W base 4, wherever W base 4 power 0 comes, we can replace it with 1. So the first row and the first column is completely 1. Next, W is 4 power 1. E power minus j 2 pi into 1 by 4. So it is e power minus j pi by 2. E power minus j pi by 2. According to Euler's identity, it is e power minus j theta is cos theta minus j sin theta. Instead of theta we are having pi by 2, so it is cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is cos 90, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, and we are already having minus j here, so it is going to be minus j. Minus j into 1, that is minus j. So W base 4 power 1 is minus j. So here we can write minus j. Next, W base 4 power 2. E power minus j 2 pi into 2 by 4. That is e power minus j pi. That is cos pi minus j sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. So it is minus 1. W base 4 power 2 is minus 1. So we have W base 4 power 2 in two places. We can replace it minus 1. Next, W base 4 power 3. E power minus j 2 pi into 3 by 4. This is going to be e power minus j 3 pi by 2. This is nothing but cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So minus j into minus 1, which is going to be plus j. So plus j comes here. And we also have W base 4 power 3 here, so we can replace it plus j. Next, W base 4 power 4. E power minus j 2 pi into 4 by 4. This is e power minus j 2 pi. E power minus j 2 pi is cos 2 pi minus j sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is 0, cos 2 pi is 1. So it comes to 1. W base 4 power 4 is 1. Next, W base 4 power 6. E power minus j 2 pi into 6 by 4, which is 2, which is e power minus j 3 pi. Cos 3 pi minus j sin 3 pi. Cos 3 pi is minus 1, sin 3 pi is 0, so it is going to be minus 1. So W base 4 power 6 is minus 1, and we also have W base 4 power 6 here. We can write it like minus 1. Next, the last element is W base 4 power 9. E power minus j 2 pi into 9 by 4. So it is e power minus j 9 pi by 2. E power minus j 9 pi by 2 is cos 9 pi by 2 minus j 9 pi by 2. Cos 9 pi by 2 is 0. Sin 9 pi by 2 is 0. Sin 9 pi by 2 is 1. So we already have minus j here into 1. It is going to be minus j. So that is the matrix, that is the required matrix which you have formed. And this matrix will come in this place. When this matrix multiplies with x of n, which is going to be written in matrix format, we can get x of k directly. And you need not do all these steps for finding the values of the matrix. There is a shortcut to remember this matrix, which I have uploaded in another video. You can kindly check that. For solving this problem, we have to multiply this matrix with this value, x of n. So for finding x of k, it is going to be matrix, that is W base n power kn into x of n is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. 6 of n, which is 1 0 1 0. If you do the regular matrix multiplication, you will get 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. That is 1 plus 1. Here 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 into 1. 1 minus 1, next 1 plus 1, next 1 minus 1. So the required x of k is 2 0 2. This is how we have to do the matrix form.